Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQLite. So in previous episode I've been talking about aliases, but there is one question that is why you should use those things. So, are they useful for something except that you could rename your columns, but you could rename your columns in different way. If you really want your column to be renamed, you could edit your table and that's all. So why you should use those aliases? Are they necessary? Are they useful? They are. But if you have been following these episodes for some time, you're going to see that in this episode we are going to deal with some advanced subjects like joint statements. And don't worry about those. I'm going to explain those in upcoming episodes. What you should do is to focus yourself towards aliases and try your best to understand those, and I'm going to try to explain them as best I can. So if we type this statement, select all from table bill, this is our result, and I want to make this result a little bit better. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. First thing that I would like is actually item name from bill and item, where bill item equals item ID, and I am going to execute this code. And you see here we have only a list of item names from bill table, and now I'm going to take something more from a bill table. I'm going to take bill amount, and I'm going to take item price. And let's make this statement look a little bit better. And you see, now we have from bill table records with item names, amount that has been sold, and price per single unit. And here is where aliases are entering the stage. So now I would like to do something else. Now I would like to take column amount and column price. I'm going to multiply that, and I'm going to present that as total. Let me show you. If I run this code, you see now for every single record we have a total price, so amount of money we earned by selling those items. But this is not all. Let me show you something else. What if we add another column? I believe that is name. Let me check. Transaction ID. And now a transaction in here, and now another condition, transaction ID equals to bill transaction. Okay, if I run this code, you see Now we have every item sold connected to appropriate transaction ID. But now what we can do? We can use alias in order to make this statement much better and easier to read. We could say something like this, like capital T, and we don't need these anymore. And now I'm going to remove this mess and I'm just going to type T. And if I run this code, you see instead of transaction ID we have only capital letter T. And now I will show you another trick. And what if we say T equals 1? We are going to get only those bills per transaction number 1. And now we could do something like this. Sorry. If I run this code, we are going to get total amount of money we earned per this transaction. And we could do the same per every transaction we have. And if we have one more, you see. For now it's important only for you to understand how these aliases work. Everything else we are going to describe in upcoming episodes. That's all for now. If you are satisfied with this content, please subscribe and see ya.